Maralas, potang malak ako kuneng bengi. Dulwaling kaladwa ako kayong katawan ko. At maglakbi ang miyayalawang lugal. Uneng lately, panimunta kayong Amerika. Dalipat niyang alapaap. Tsaka taglos kayong metong masalang tunnel. Dana, solid ka awesome kayong Amerika. Susula po no ring sa kin ka rin. Deng trend na naman. Nalaring karakal. High-tech, lapa. Lamang niya kakit mo ka rin sci-fi pelikula. Deng tao. Masanting lang ang balat. Paligid na nakalinis. At ano pa pangasanting yung buildings. Makapaniglo. Dapat bayi pa makapagdaton malwat yung kaladwa ko ka rin. My soul returns to my body. And I wake up.
O buboy! May kene! At suno rin parala ng mama mo!
Putay na lang kapalo!
Mrs. Sensune man yung Pilipinas ang jampa ka na ano. The bitch is trying ako pen. Yan nyo tin mo rin train. Uneng solid yung sitwasyon kilub. Although, it's kinda like the transport doring pausa na tao papunta ka rin concentration camp. Ikamate! Unlike in the US, malwalas, malinis, cute la design din coach daring train. Anyang mintaw kaladwa ka rin. At yung papindet ang bala mo pirate ships. Yung atin mo rin sanang makanita kayong Pilipinas. My God! Kung naburyaning mako. At na ako manamis po tamonta ako States. Anti mo Fran. Ang mahilig magtampiso aking Subic Bay. Ipocholo ang mga Arab maging rapper.
Sana!
Yaron, artista niyan yan eh. Ikabud sa taga Makabebe. Ika na akong high school. Pamaglundag kayong Dara Falls. I-Clarence, yung banidosong tisoy. I-Caitlin na mahilig mamyalong Lego. Ampoy Randall, abiyasang mga niyang gamat. Tinmuring niya kuha Miss Bitasa. Mumuna niya kini John Ray. Feel na yung maka-helmet. I-Kingsley ang maluse-luse. Deng puta na idanang bagyo ay megisan. I-Paulo ang mahilig mo naman tumerak. Indao bus terminal na babaong imi. Ang taong ininae ko na bahalulagyo. Irone la buy sita pagaga. Ilay ka apa hard to get. I-joke-joke a feeling model pa chela lakad. Tangka klasikong Eco 19 dyan yung trip kembye. Ang poreng waiter kay Central nasinaw magdogi. Even though kasaman kayong bagay ang Pilipinas, law-abiding citizen ko pa rin. Masakit na may kamarin na record. I am proud to say na I always choose to do the right thing. Kung mag-jaywalking, kung mag-littering, kung sisindi ka rin non-smoking areas. In fact, kung sisindi at all. Buri ko kasi karas ko US, healthy ko. Panay akong mag-exercise, mamangan healthy foods. Mag-zumba ako pa pinpatsi at in time. Sasadya ko niya rin yung sarili ko culturally. Bangkaras ko US, ali ko out of place. Update yung sarili ko pa niya karing sikat a songs ka rin.
I came in like a wrecking ball!
Imporma ako, sasamasan ko. At panay ko mag-practice English kaya ba itiwata. yung friend kong call center agent. What's up, girl? How you doing? Matari trapari or what?
Nandigo ba, Kenny? Sabi mo alas 12.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Speak to me in English. That's how we master language, right? Come on, let's head over. How are you?
Fine. How about you?
Good? Good?
Nanggid naman. Sabi may masalese. Good.
But that ain't how Americans pronounce it. It's good.
Eh, nakaman Amerikano.
I'm sorry. What do you say? Like, I can only understand English, you know? Come on! Ask me more like English questions. I'll have practice, you know?
Okay. So tell me, Buboy.
It's Bobby.
Bobby Mejia, how
No. Mejia. Bobby Mejia.
Tell me, Bobby. How does it feel that you'll soon go to the States?
I know, right? Like, I'm finally going to the States. Like, I'm so excited. Like,
So, are you going to leave the Philippines for good?
Damn right I will.
And you're going to leave me.
Yes, Diwara. Yes. Sagulina, explain kay Pake yung sitwasyon ko ba yung mas ahintin dyan. At yun nga na Amerika rin kapamilya ko. Impya kami nunang miras ka rin, yachi kong Barbara. May kapakyasawa yung US citizen anya tambing yung meka migrate. Migration category na, I-R, immediate relative. Sakto naman ni Kuya kung Bart Megi ang eligible for immigration, uling sobrang galing kayong molecular biology. Tuturuyaring science on the side. Yung category na, E-B, employment-based. Ngaos ka rin kalupa na, alien of extraordinary ability. Anyang maging US citizen ni Kong Bart, pinitisyon ni imama ko. Kaya eventually, maging yang US citizen. Naman malyari nga akong dili kayong Pilipinas kayong pamilyami. Anya, pinitisyon na akong mama ko 7 years ago. Uling 21 years old ko at tala akong asawa kanita, makapalub ko ketang kategorya F1, unmarried child, 21 years old or older. Fast forward 7 years, or niya ako, excited. In a few months, payaws na ako kayong US Embassy for sure. So, ko rin niya lulubidiwata king kwento ng biyeko? Makanini kasi. They are groups or organizations dedicated to investigating ghosts. Note that what they investigate is not the supposed existence of ghosts, but the presence. Dana, kasakit?
Not that I don't want to go to the party. It's just that I have lots of things to do this week. I'm literally swamped. Yeah, definitely. Just tell him I'm sick or something. Alright? Call me when you get home. Bye, Cindy.
Di ka galing mo naman mag-English? Dagol ka, Amerika?
Na? Ali. Mag-obra call center.
Sana maging kasing biyasara ka mag-English.
Ako naman kayang practice yun. Yung gagawin ko kanita, anti mo, makatambay ko, Kenny. Pag masdan ko mo yung kayang paligid ko. Kay, sabihan ko kayang sarili ko. Nanong malilyari, nanong akakit ko, panamdaman ko.
Sample pen?
Sige, anti mo ngayon eh. It's such a warm day today. It sucks because I forgot to bring my umbrella. I decided to go to this park to take a break from walking. Unexpectedly, I met a man who wants to improve his English. He's kinda cute.
Iba't kanita, di pag-exchange kaming number. Yaning meging kong trainer keng pamanyalitang English. Kay ba't ning 6 weeks. Na kay may bugmi kawani.
You know that, don't you? Whatever it is, baby.
Kayang paniman mandaring ngaliwang tao. Bala mo, may tao na kami naman. Neng, halaking pisabing diwata ama kanita.
Nanggawan mo bukas.
Wala naman. Hindi ka nang bahala. Text mo na ako mo.
Ako sasawa. Halos aldoldo, mikikit ka to.
Ayos mo naman. Importante masaya ka ta. Wow. Wow.
Kabisa. Kalwata ng miyabe.
Imalyari Diyos. Patsay may kiss ka ta, puta. Puta mag-sex ta na. Patsay mag-sex ka ta, puta. Buktot da ka. Patsay buktot da ka, kailangan da na kang pakasalan. Patsay pa kasalan da ka, manganib na yung petition na ka akong mama ko. Uli ang married ko supposed to be.
Nung nga buktot mo ko, na ka man pilitan pakasal nung memburi.
Uning nung nga buktot da ka, that's the right thing to do. To marry you. And I'm a man who always choose to do what's right. Kenny. Ayos mo yan. Enjoy ta namin company ng balang metong while it lasts.
Okay.
What the hell?
Mabuktot ko! Mo antin dyan. Sige, English. I'm pregnant?
Giyepangan mo ko?
Buting mo! Masala-salasa ako matutudan yung birthday mo kitang support, saka mo petungan, saka mo ulit sa spanty. Malasing ka kanito!
Why didn't you stop me? Ha? Hanggang pinakal mo kong lampshade.
Sayang naman tong. Anytime, may house na kakanyang petition ko keko. Istumpe kasal ka, kailangan da kang petisyonan pa si Bayo from single to married status. At malambat ito tong, manaya ka more than 10 years.
Hi, I'm Bobby Mejia. I'm a person who always chooses to do the right thing.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
10 more years in this stinking shithole with my stinking countrymen.
We wrote to a colleague in 1676. It is by standing on the shoulder.
Boy, inasta!
Manaya ko pa rin hanggang mag-step foot ko kang US. I will continue doing what is right. Even if it takes more than a decade. Uning kabang at suko kining jablos sa lugalay ni. Count ko na mo. Matudtod. Mamag-asang maglakbeya pa si Bayo. Kaladwa ko. King United States of fucking America.